Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that can leave many feeling overwhelmed. OTC Hormone Replacement Therapy, or HRT for short. Maybe you're perimenopausal and dealing with hot flashes that make you feel like you're living in a sauna. Or perhaps vaginal dryness is causing discomfort. Whatever your reasons for considering OTC HRT, you're not alone. But with so many options on the shelf, it's easy to feel lost at sea. Don't worry, we're here to be your guide and help you navigate the exciting, yet sometimes confusing world of OTC HRT. Knowledge is power. Before we dive into product specifics, let's establish a foundation of knowledge. When it comes to your health, information is your best friend. Spend some time researching OTC HRT, but remember, research is just the first step. The real key is consulting with a healthcare professional. They'll be your partner in this journey, assessing your individual needs and health history to determine if OTC HRT is the right path for you. Think of them as your personal HRT Sherpa, guiding you towards the best option for your unique situation. Choosing with confidence. All right, so you've talked to your healthcare provider and they've given you the green light to explore OTC HRT. Now comes the fun part, choosing a product. But with shelves overflowing with different brands and formulations, it can feel like information overload. Here's where a little detective work comes in. Look for reputable brands with a proven track record. Do your research to see if their products have been tested for safety and effectiveness. Reviews can be a treasure trove of information, offering real-world experiences from other users. Don't be shy, dig into those reviews and see what others have to say. Dosage do's and don'ts. You've found a brand you trust, and you're ready to embark on your OTC HRT journey. Here's a crucial point to remember. Follow the recommended dosage and guidelines to the letter. It might be tempting to think more is better, but that's a recipe for trouble. Exceeding the recommended amount can have negative consequences for your health. So listen to your body and follow the instructions. Your body will thank you for it. Listen to your body's signals. As you navigate your OTC HRT journey, it's important to develop a keen awareness of your body. It's your personal roadmap constantly sending you signals. Pay attention to how you feel. Are you experiencing any side effects that concern you? If so, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider. They can help you adjust your dosage or explore alternative options if needed. Remember, open communication with your healthcare provider is key to a successful OTC HRT experience. The empowered you. By staying informed, taking these steps, and working closely with your healthcare professional, you can confidently navigate the world of OTC HRT and use it to optimize your health and well-being. Remember, knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about your body. So take charge, ask questions, and embrace this exciting new chapter in your health journey. Outraw Understanding OTC Hormone Replacement Therapy, a comprehensive guide. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more informative content coming your way. And if you have any questions about OTC HRT, leave them down in the comments below. We're always happy to help navigate the path to optimal health.